Alright, this is the arm review for the next quiz, which is tomorrow and Thursday, and I'd like to introduce everybody to our Mink named Cornelius. Welcome him to the show. Alright, we still have a few high shoulder things, so let's take a look. These are all the muscles that are in play for the quiz. In the deep shoulder, if you pull this apart, here's the scapula right there. This large muscle right here is supraspinatus. If you come over here, right there is the spine of the scapula. So that's supraspinatus. This is infraspinatus. And then there's a little muscle off the end right here called teres major. Okay? Those are the shoulder muscles we haven't addressed yet. Now, I'm going to flip this over and we're going to do the outer side of the arm. Make sure I'm still in. Here we go. Now, if you come down onto the arm, there's two shoulder muscles. Here's spinodeltoid. That was on the last quiz. This is acromiodeltoid. And now we're going to come down onto the arm. This muscle right here that I'm moving is dorsoepitrochlearis. Let's do the triceps. Has three heads of origin. This right here is the triceps brachii lateral head. This big one right there is triceps brachii long head. If I open this window like this, you're going to see two more muscles. Hold that open. This one in the center, this is triceps brachii medial head. This one right on the humerus is brachialis. If I get my forceps, this right here is one of the branches of the radial nerve right there. Okay, that's the upper portion of the arm. Now if I flip this guy over, let's look on the inside of the humerus. Still good. Now this tube right here, that is the biceps brachii. Again, here's dorsoepitrochlearis. This muscle right here is triceps brachii long head. And there's triceps brachii medial head right here from the other side. The other thing you have to know is this big nerve right here. This is the ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve. Right now all we have left is the forearm muscles. Let's do the lateral surface. We're going to flip this again, so stay with me. Bunch of muscles you have to know here. Try to hold him up perfectly flat, just like that. Always start on the high side. There's this little thin one right here. That's brachioradialis. From this view, this one is extensor carpi radialis longus. This one right here, oops, right there is extensor digitorum communis. This is extensor digitorum lateralis. This little guy right here is extensor carpi ulnaris. And then this one here is actually a flexor. This is flexor carpi ulnaris from the other side. Those are the muscles you have to know on the ventral surface. Okay, let's flip them over for the last few. On the inside of the forearm. Okay, just a review here. Ooh, there we go, just a review. Here's the biceps brachii right here, and that comes down. Now we got a bunch of muscles. I'm going to start with that same one. Start with that thin one on the high side. Do these in order. This is brachioradialis, and then from this side you can see the differentiation between these two. This is extensor carpi radialis longus. This one right here is extensor carpi radialis brevis. This muscle right here is a little bit of connective tissue on top of it, but it's coming right there. That is pronator teres, right there. This is flexor digitorum profundus, and this is the radial portion. This is flexor carpi radialis. This is flexor digitorum profundus. This is the humeral portion. And then this guy right here, this big one, is flexor digitorum superficialis. And those are all the muscles you need to know for the quiz. Good luck.